Constraint expressions lets system engineers actively formulate and establish explicit bounding rules for the model. Constraint Satisfiability Checking analyzes active rules to determine violations and highlights them in the graphical element with a red border. Use assert constraint to check whether the correct value or logical properties of the system is calculated in the SysML v2 analysis case. Use SysML v2 verification cases to formally evaluate whether a system subject successfully meets its requirements, explicitly returning a standardized verdict, which is pass or fail. Leverage explicit satisfy relationships to trace architectural model elements backward, formally verifying that the original source requirements are thoroughly fulfilled by the design.